Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Only 16% of Ethereum staking users are profiting. Silvergate closes exchange network, releases $9.9 million to block fee. Market capitalization of BINANCE'S bust stablecoin falls. SEC lawyer points out that Binance US offers unregistered services. Token LIDO drops up to 19% on SEC-related rumor. Binance attempted to hire former SEC chair for closer ties with regulators. MakerDAO and its stablecoin DAI may follow the fate of USD and Luna due to regulatory pressure in the United States. Proof of stake, is it the solution to Bitcoin's energy problem? Only 16% of Ethereum staking users are profiting. In a few weeks, the highly anticipated Shanghai update of the Ethereum network will take place, with the main focus being on the withdrawal of ETH tokens that have been locked through staking since late 2020. However, some members of the crypto community are concerned that this update could cause a massive price dump as users may withdraw and sell their tokens to realize profits. Consensus, a blockchain technology company, conducted a study that found that only 16% of Ethereum staking users are profiting from their investment. 20% of users experienced losses, and the remaining 63% experienced no significant gains or losses. Staking is the process of holding cryptocurrencies locked in a cryptocurrency network to validate transactions and earn rewards. The study's results indicate that Ethereum staking is not a safe way to make profits, and participation can be highly variable and risky. Silvergate closes exchange network, releases $9.9 million to block fee. Silvergate, the cryptocurrency-focused bank, has shut down its SEN leverage exchange network and released $9.9 million to exchange block fee, which had been held as collateral. Silvergate explained that SEN leverage, which allowed customers to exchange USD and Bitcoin, was shuttered due to a lack of demand for its services. Despite the closure, Silvergate has announced plans to focus on developing SEN, its real-time digital payments network, and to offer lending and margin financing services to its clients. The news follows a series of setbacks for block fee, which has been the subject of an investigation by regulators in the state of New Jersey and has been sued by the SEC for allegedly offering unregistered securities. Market capitalization of Binance's bust stablecoin falls. The market capitalization of BUST, the stablecoin issued by Binance, has fallen in recent weeks. Since its all-time high of $13.54 billion in February, BUST's market capitalization has dropped to $8.32 billion, according to CoinGecko data. The drop has been attributed to decreased trading volume on the Binance platform, as well as increased competition from other stablecoins like USDT and USDC. However, despite the drop, BUST remains the third largest stablecoin in the market, after USDT and USDC. SEC lawyer points out that Binance US offers unregistered services. SEC lawyer accuses Binance US of providing unregistered services in the country. According to him, Binance's subsidiary is not complying with SEC regulations. Additionally, the agency has also been investigating the parent platform, Binance, for illicit activities. Binance US is a cryptocurrency exchange platform registered in the US and separate from the main Binance platform. However, the SEC has stated that the subsidiary has not complied with its legal obligations. The SEC investigation could have an impact on the cryptocurrency market, as Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Token LIDO drops up to 19% on SEC-related rumor. The drop in LIDO token came after rumors on social media and cryptocurrency forums about a possible SEC investigation against the platform. The investigation is believed to be related to lack of transparency and possible market manipulation in the Ethereum 2.0 staking market. Although there is no official confirmation from the SEC on any ongoing investigation, rumors and uncertainty in the market led to a 19% drop in the token price. LIDO is an Ethereum 2.0 staking platform that allows users to participate in network block validation in exchange for staking token rewards. Despite the drop, LIDO has experienced significant growth since its launch in May 2021, thanks to the growing popularity of Ethereum 2.0 and the demand for staking services. Rumors of a possible SEC investigation against LIDO highlight the growing regulatory pressure surrounding cryptocurrencies and related service platforms. As cryptocurrencies become more popular and widely used in the financial world, regulators are paying increasing attention to their impact on markets and investors. Binance attempted to hire former SEC chair for closer ties with regulators. Binance attempted to hire Gary Gensler in 2018 for closer ties with U.S. regulators, according to a Bloomberg report. Gensler is now the chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and has been critical of the lack of regulation in the crypto space. The offer was turned down by Gensler, who instead joined MIT to teach about blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Binance's relationship with U.S. regulators has been tense in the past, with the company facing multiple investigations and restrictions. However, the company has made recent efforts to improve its relationship with U.S. authorities, hiring a former SEC official as an advisor in February. MakerDAO and its stablecoin DAI may follow the fate of USD and Luna due to regulatory pressure in the United States. MakerDAO, the platform behind the DAI stablecoin, could face similar problems to those of USD and Luna, which experienced a significant drop in value. The three cryptocurrencies are backed by US dollars and have been under scrutiny by regulators in the United States. As regulatory pressure increases, there are fears that demand for dollar-backed stablecoins may decrease, which could lead to a drop in the value of DAI. Experts warn that growing regulation could have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market in the near future. Proof of stake. Is it the solution to Bitcoin's energy problem? The energy problem associated with Bitcoin mining could be solved through the adoption of a proof-of-stake POS consensus system. POS works by choosing a block validator who has staked a certain number of coins on the network. Validators are randomly chosen and must validate transactions and create new blocks. Unlike Bitcoin's current algorithm, which uses proof of work and requires large amounts of energy to solve complex mathematical problems, POS does not consume as much energy and is more efficient. However, some experts warn that POS also presents challenges in terms of centralization and security.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.